Namaste, my dear friends. Welcome to PMC English. How have you all been doing today, this week, this month? Have you been practicing ahimsa? Have you been on plant-based food? Have you been kind to one another? Have you expressed your compassion to everyone, my dear friends? So, this is Parinita Patri, and I welcome you all to PMC English, wherein we are going to have a beautiful word yet again today in this series of spiritual glossary. And in today's episode, we are going to understand about a term which we all want to achieve. In our everyday life, in our spiritual life, in our mental life, in our emotional life, in every which way, we want to achieve this. What is it called? It is called as detachment. So then we need to understand in a deeper way what this detachment is all about. So what is this detachment all about, my dear friends? True detachment is a soul attitude, a function carried out on the soul plane rather than on the physical, emotional or lower mental planes. Actually, you're not detaching your true self from anyone or anything. You're detaching yourself from the inertia of the body, from the glamours of your emotional world, and from the illusions of your mental realm. You're also detaching your real self from the objects with which you were identified only through inertia, glamours, and illusions. With detachment, you're disidentifying yourself, but not separating. Detachment is a direct result of careful observation. In detachment, we consciously raise our radiation to such a high degree that the influence of the glamour and illusion is immediately rejected, thus making possible any reaction from within us. And detachment is a way of living in which you stand insulated within yourself from all anti-evolutionary forces, influences, and impressions. And detachment and harmlessness go together. Detachment is the process of dissolving such solidifications and the freedom of consciousness to act without being controlled by the preconditioning factors of habits, hang-ups, and fanaticism. And in some advanced schools, they teach detachment from even your own ideas, opinions, expectations, and dreams. This is a very hard lesson to learn because people feel that without their attachments to various physical, emotional, and mental objects, they cease to be, they cease to exist. But the fact is that the more you are detached, the more real you are and the closer you are to your true self, because attachment is a way of losing one's own reality. And our existence is beyond what our physical and emotional bodies are attached to, and beyond the mind that fabricates and produces millions of thought forms as patches of clouds in the sky. The sun exists beyond them, and that is our true self. And the principal goal of meditation is to break off any of our attachments to the not self. This is a very important point, my dear friends. The not self is not only all the objects of our desires, but also our body and its toys, our emotional nature with its vast storage of objects, and our mental nature with its numberless images, clouds, geometrical forms, all of which we are identified with. Attachment to not self is a game in which you lose. Detachment makes you win the game of life. And detachment is a state of consciousness in which you are no longer pulled or pushed here or there by the objects to which you are related physically, emotionally, and mentally without your conscious volition. And detachment is a great virtue in our physical existence. But for the subjective world, it is imperative to be equipped with a detachment if one is to proceed on his path of perfection. Every attachment in the subtle world is an iron trap with all its suffering and gloom. So how did you find the word called detachment? Have you really understood detachment in its real sense, in its deeper sense, from a different perspective, from a different viewpoint, my dear friends? Why not revisit this video once again to really understand and assimilate this word called detachment, and to understand, am I really getting detached? Am I practicing detachment, or am I getting more and more attached? So this is something which we need to understand about ourselves and practice detachment whenever you can, wherever you can, however you can, how much ever you can. This is what meditation makes us, to detach but not separate. Detachment and separation are different, my dear friends. So this particular word of detachment has been taken from the following books, which is The Spring of Prosperity, The Science of Becoming Oneself, The Science of Meditation, The Symphony of the Zodiac, and The Psyche and Psychism, written by Torquem Serradiden. So this is all about detachment, my dear friends. I hope you watch all the videos of Spiritual Glossary more and more and understand more and more about each and every word. So this is Parinita Patri, my dear friends, signing off for now. I'll see you next time with yet another wonderful word in the series of Spiritual Glossary. Till then, take care of yourself. Namaste, my dear friends.